Hello and welcome to Standard Scholars. Today we are going to look at question number 9 of IGCSE Paper 4 Extended of May/June year 2018. Now this is part 2 of the previous video, okay, where we are going to look at how to solve part B. We need to find the region R, inequalities which creates this region R. Now let's look at this vertical line, which is x is equal to 2, and we share this line which is x is greater than 2, and since this is a solid straight line, okay, so that means x is greater than or equal to 2. If it was a dotted line, then that will mean x is greater than 2. Okay, so that's the first equation. Now let's look at y is equal to 5, which is again a solid straight line, and to create region R, we're going to shade it downwards. That means y is less than 5, and since it is a solid straight line, this line equation will be y is less than or equal to 5. So we got two equations, inequalities already. Let's look at the third line. The third line over here, which is got a positive slope, again is a solid straight line. So we will get something like y, and to create region R, we're going to shade it up. And that means we'll get something y is greater than or equal to, because it's a solid straight line, the equal sign will be there. Now let's look at first how we're going to tackle this is to find the slope of a line. Let's take point 0, this point here, which is 0, 0, and let's take this point, which is 12, 6. Equation of a straight line, which is in a form of mx plus c, where m is the slope, which we're going to find now. So we got slope is equal to y2 minus y1 x2 minus xy. We got 2 points over here. We got 0, 0, and we got 12, 6. Now let's look at y2 minus y1. So we got y2, which is 6 minus 0. The y1 is 0, sorry. And we got x2, 12, and x1, 0. We'll get 6 over 12, which is equal to half. Hence we have equation y is equal to half x plus c. Now we can use any of these coordinates 0, 0 or 12, 6 and substitute in y and x to find c. Let's take 0, 0. So when y is equal to 0, half into x, which is 0, plus c. Therefore we get c is equal to 0. Hence our equation becomes y is equal to half x. Remember, we need to take care of inequalities. We already find out over here that y should be greater than or equal to satisfy the region R. Hence y is greater than equal to half x, and that is our third equation, which we are going to put it here. Y is equal to half x. So we have our first equation, x is greater than or equal to 2. We got second one, y is greater than or equal to 5, and we got third one, y is greater than or equal to half x, and that what creates this region R. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and I hope to see you next time. Until then, enjoy mathematics.